Hi there everyone, this is your friend Jake Rodriguez Pomperada. Welcome to my channel, and in this tutorial video guys, we will learn how to use calendar command in Linux. Before we start, if you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my new uploaded video in my channel, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. Thank you very much to all our subscribers. If you are new with my channel, thank you also. I hope that you will enjoy this tutorial video. So let's get started. Right now we are here in the desktop of Peppermint Linux. Actually, this distribution, the calendar command in the terminal, is identical in other Linux distribution. So here, let us go with start. Select terminal. So in this Peppermint terminal, we have here the prompt. So we can issue the word command cal in the prompt, and then we press the enter key. It will display the current month of July 2020. So today is July 4, 2020. But if we want to display the complete set of months in this particular year 2020, we simply issue this command, cal spacebar 2020, and then press the enter key. As we can see, it displays all the list of months from January, February, March, April, May, June, July, and then if you see, there is already an highlight on 4 because this is the current day of the month of July, for Saturday, August, September, October, November, and December. So if we want to display the list of commands, let's say 2018, we simply type cal space 2018 and then press the enter key. So this is already the calendar for the year 2018 from January to December. How about we want to display a particular month in a certain year? We can simply issue cal, let's say June 1978. By issuing this command, cal space month and then year, we can display the month June 1978 and then the days of that particular month. I hope that you have learned in this tutorial video. If you don't know how to use the cal command, we can simply use the word man for manual in Linux and then type cal. It will display the syntax on how to use this command. Let us press the Q button to quit. So again, cal, let's say June 2020. Display the month of June 2020. This is the end of our tutorial video. Before we say goodbye, thank you very much for watching this tutorial video. I hope that you learned something new in this, how to use the calendar command in Linux in terminal. Please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. This is your friend Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. Says until to the next video tutorial. Bye bye for now.